before we ship this car off to be restored, we're gonna see what's on the inside and how bad the rust is that we couldn't see before.
Let's see if Whistle and Diesel telling the truth. Liar.
I mean, that's probably cast iron.
They're not easy work.
So this is what we're keeping from inside the trunk. This is what we're not sure of, if we'll use these or not. These we're just gonna consider junk. Like this especially, like, yeah. I'm gonna use this to make another one. But this is the damage. I mean, you look at it and it's like, oh, it's not too bad. You know, it looks like a 240, and then you get over here and it's like, damn. Damn. The trunk holds water in it, which I don't know why. Maybe it's because of this, the spoiler. I don't know. But yeah, opening up the can of worms right now. Got it chalked up on some wood.
There we go. Alright, let's put the box seat.
Yeah. Clean it out when it lands in Grand. Alright. So this is everything that I'm gonna keep. This stuff is relatively junk, I would say, that I'm gonna put in the back seat. This is the back. I know it's super dirty, but this is the best I could do for now with no cleaning equipment. Just taking out the trash. This is absolutely terrible. Like, I don't know what. Like, it just retained water and caused it to, like, form that hole, I'm guessing. Yeah, that's the issue. Or was the issue. So this whole side is kind of fucked. But we'll see. We'll definitely see. For everyone who hated those white trim bits, we got some black spares, which is perfect because, yeah, I think that's a lot better. Like, this just feels so bad. It feels like it's about to crystallize. So we're gonna use these. They're much nicer. Maybe I can 3D scan them so I can make a set. Oh wow, nice. Oof. I know it wasn't very good from the start, but I think this is a lot better. Yeah, I think it's a lot better. That's as far back as you can go. I might get. Never mind. Alright. Ew. This car feels so nasty, dude. Fuck. I don't know what that says.
Chicken from last night. We have, I got plates, I got potatoes, I have what else I have? Plates.
Look at this. Look at that.
Plate.
Sorry.
Where's that? Where's what?
Okay.
The top.
It's in the back.
Yeah. I put it back in the boat, but yeah. But I thought doing them in charge of the beverage section. I don't know. When you tell them things, when it come down to it, they not recall it. That they pretty much get it. Yeah. They
So,
no, they just put the door. You said they were pulling the firewood there.
where's the turbos?
It's right here. What's that? That's the turbine, man. What type of turbo is that? It's twin turbo. You don't need the really big ones.
You want a small one and a big one. You don't run two small ones.
You see the amount of space up in here?
Don't you want
Although, yes, I did check it on the flatbed, I couldn't see everything. And seeing the rust in the trunk made me want to just assess it one more time before committing to this quite costly task of rebuilding this car. So far, this is the worst part of the car, being this like back end of it where all the water drains, and it's not very good, but it's at the same time it could have been a lot worse, I suppose. I wonder if I can. Honestly, I was expecting to see a hole through this rail, but thankfully it's not there, so I think it's all right. This car is definitely not cherry. It was sitting outside for years, and it was literally in like a scrapyard. So it's not mint, but it is somewhat intact. As unfortunate as these findings have been, I haven't given up yet, because I feel like there's still so much of the car left that it can be rebuilt, but it's gonna cost a lot. Thankfully, I mean, the car itself wasn't too expensive, so I'm just paying to restore it. I mean, it's a lot of work, it's not clean, but I feel like I can make it work.